Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by preparing the speaker so the reset can proceed cleanly. First, plug in or confirm at least 20% charge. Unstable power can interrupt the process. Once charged, turn the speaker on and on your phone or laptop, forget or remove the SoundLink entry in Bluetooth settings so it won't auto-reconnect. This clears active links. Now power the speaker off. Wait 10 seconds to let capacitors discharge. That short pause helps clear volatile state before. Now you'll perform the actual reset that clears stored settings and pairings. With the speaker powered off, press and hold the power button together with the Bluetooth or multi-function button for about 10 seconds. You'll see LEDs flash or hear a tone when the reset triggers. Once the speaker restarts, it enters pairing mode briefly. Make sure your device's Bluetooth is on, then select the SoundLink name when it appears. This repairing rebuilds a fresh connection and resolves most software hiccups. Finish by testing audio playback at a moderate volume. This confirms the reset restored normal operation. If you notice odd EQ or volume behavior, open the Bose Connect app and check for firmware updates. Updates fix known bugs. Once updated, repair and test again. If you still get no sound, repeat the reset sequence one more time, then try a different source device or cable. If problems persist, contact Bose support. There may be a hardware fault requiring service or replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.